Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all? Oh my goodness, it has been a hot minute since I have sat down and filmed for you guys. Like, we're talking January, hon. Like, it's been a couple months. I'm so sorry I've been so MIA. Life is crazy. Anyway, I am going to be doing a day to night time look for you guys. And I'm just using one palette for this look. I'm using the Morphe and James Charles palettes. This palette is very versatile. As you already would know, there is lots of colors and also your neutrals. So I'm going to be doing just like a very like natural, everyday, going to work, going to school, uni, whatever, daytime look. And then we're going to vamp it up a little bit and do a nighttime look. So this is really good if you have no time, you've got an event straight after work or after school and you've got like 10 minutes to, you know, make yourself look a little bit better. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So first off, I need to prime my face. So I'm going for a very glowy, natural look for the daytime. So I'm taking the Becca backlight priming filter. And I'm just going to basically put this everywhere where I kind of want that like highlighter to stand out. So I'm trying something new out today. I've got this Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. This is in the shade Mocha. Apparently this is meant for like medium skin tones. So as you can see, it is quite dark. I'm going to use this for contouring, and I've seen like Tarte do her contouring before her foundation. So I'm going to try that because hopefully with this I don't have to do any bronzer. Not too bad. I think it should be fine after we put the foundation on afterwards. So I'm just going to blend that out slightly. Foundation, I am using my holy grail, the Loreal 24-hour foundation. I use the shade 130 and 140. I'm quite patchy at the moment. I'm trying to get this tan off. You guys, what is like a good exfoliator? I have tried so many, like those exfoliating mitts and stuff, and this tan is just not coming off. Like, is there a hack or something with it? Let me know. Because I am, like, that's just probably the worst step in tanning, is getting your old tan off. Don't you agree? See how that just like made that bronzer just so seamless? That's why I really like putting it underneath the foundation. So now for concealer, I'm going in with the Infallible and the Pretty Fresh. So this is Loreal and Colourpop. I really like this combo together because I like a pretty like brightening concealer. I have quite dark under eyes, especially like in my corners here. And then I'm just going to put a little dot as I'm using my concealer today as my eyeshadow primer. I haven't used a beauty blender in such a long time. I can't remember the last time I ever used a beauty blender. I've just been loving just using brushes. Look how brightening that concealer is. Woo! Girl. I am going to just blend that out a little bit with my foundation brush. Dark under eyes, where are you at? That's all I can say. Alright, I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter setting powder, and I do not have a setting powder brush here, and I'm just setting my under eyes and the lid as well. How pretty that is. Wow, love that. So, liquid blush. I am loving the mcobeauty cheek and lip tint. I just think it is so pretty, and you only need a smidgen. This is the shade Tango. I'm just going to add some highlighter, and the face is pretty much done. So I'm actually going to use a shade out of the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go in with the gold one right next to the white shade. It's super pretty. So we are going to move on to the eye makeup now, and like I said, it's going to be a very simple look, something that you just want to do like 2 or 3 shades and walk out the door. So first I'm going to grab this bone shade and mix it with this light brown, so it creates like a really light brown shade. And I'm just going to run this all along like my crease, just into your eye socket, and I'm going to also pretty much blend it right up to my brow bone as well. Now I'm going to take this like reddy brown kind of shade, and I'm just going to use a little bit of this, and I'm going to put this on my outer corner and blend into my crease. And then I'm going to go back in with that light brown shade, and I'm going to just put that on the rest of my lid. So now I'm going to vamp it up a little bit, and I'm going to add a dark brown, and I'm just using like an eyebrow pencil for this, and I'm going to create like a little wing. So I'm going to grab this dark brown shade right here, and yeah. I mean, you don't have to do this, you can just add mascara and then you're done, but I just think that this gives just a little bit of like dimension to your eyes. It makes like your eye color stand out and it doesn't take long at all. See, I just created a tiny little wing and that is all I'm going to do. I'm just going to add some mascara and some lippy and we're done with the day look. Alright guys, so the daytime look is done. I am just going to add a pretty nude lip. This is also by mcobeauty. I'm pretty sure that this shade was called Dream and it's just a nice lip crayon. That is so pretty. Now I'm going to add some lip gloss. I'm just going to take this Smashbox one. This is in the shade Beachy Keen. Alright guys, this is the day look done. Like I said, it is very easy, very like natural, pretty, and I am obsessed with this look. So now we're going to move on to the nighttime look. So first things first, I am going to zhoosh the eyes up a bit. We're going to make them a little bit darker. So what you want to do is I'm going to grab a mixture of this light brown and this dark brown. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner. So basically you just want to gradually go darker and darker with your eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to go in with the dark brown. You want to be really careful with this because it is super pigmented. And put this on the outer corner again. Like, how pigmented is that brown? Oh my gosh, so pigmented. Now you want to take a smaller brush and go in with dark brown again, and you just want to really like intensify your outer corner, and then just use a lighter shade to blend the edges out. That is really important to blend your edges because you don't want a big blob of brown just chilling. So we're going for like a gold look, so I'm going to take this gold shimmer shade right here and I'm going to put this on the lid. I feel like you can't go out and not have like a shimmery lid. I just think that's just rude. Gotta have some glitter or some shimmer. Now with the liner, I'm going to take the black out of this palette and just do pretty much the exact same thing. This black is super pigmented in this palette. So pretty. Okay, so I'm now going to put the brown and the black under my eye as well. And this obviously creates more drama, and I love putting shadows on the bottom lash line. I think it just looks so pretty. And then I'm going to blend it with a lighter brown. Now, I was going to add falsies, but I don't know if it needs it, to be honest. I mean, you definitely could, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to add any lashes. I think that looks really good the way it is. So I'm going to keep that, and I am going to add some more bronzer and some more blush, because you can never have enough. Now I'm just going to take some blush. This is the Tarte shade Paaarty. I love this one because it's matte and I feel like it's just a very neutral, pretty blush shade. I'm basically just adding a little bit of extra to everything. I'm going to take this Becca highlighter and I'm just going to put this like in the center just to make the highlight pop just a little bit more. And I'm just going to take more highlighter for my inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to change the lip color, so I'm just going to take this off and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went with like a very pretty like berry kind of dark red lipstick, and I mixed two shades. I've got the Nars Band Red and I've also got the Maybelline Almond Rose. I love this look so much. How pretty is that? I think it's just gorgeous. Anyway guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love how these two looks turned out. I think that they are so pretty. If you guys enjoyed, you know what to do. Leave some love, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you all very soon. Bye!